How well do you know about animals? Answer 10 questions. You have 10 seconds for each one. Before we start, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get started. Which one sleeps with one eye open? Duck or cow? Duck. Some ducks shut one eye while keeping the other open to watch for predators. Which one licks its eyes to keep them clean? Rabbit or geckos? Geckos. It can't blink like we do, so it gives its eyes a little lick instead. Which one can run sideways, backward, and spin around while jumping? Fox or lynx? Lynx. It's an acrobatic jumper that can twist and spin mid-air to catch fast-moving prey. Which one is active mostly at night? Squirrel or opossum? Opossum! It's nocturnal, meaning it sleeps during the day and explores at night. Which one can swallow food whole without chewing? Bear or snake? Snake. It stretches its jaws wide and gulps down animals bigger than its head. Which one has a tongue longer than its head? Weasel or woodpecker? Woodpecker. Its tongue wraps around its skull inside, great for grabbing insects from deep holes. Which one climbs trees and swims well? Black bear or rabbit? Black bear. It's a great climber and can also paddle across rivers with ease. Which one can jump 10 times its body length? Badger or frog? Frog. Its strong back legs help it leap far and fast through the forest. Which one has super sharp eyesight for hunting at night? Owl or squirrel? Owl. Its big eyes help it see in the dark and spot tiny animals on the forest floor. Which one makes secret tunnels underground? Deer or mole? Mole. It digs twisty tunnels beneath the forest floor to hide and hunt for worms. Great job! You've done really well. Let me know how many correct answers you had. And for more quizzes, please subscribe my channel.